Hello, my name is Rob. I'm with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to cover a lot of ground. So if you're somebody just mounting your saw to your bench, you're going to want to watch this video. If you're somebody deciding to buy a miter saw stand, you're going to want to watch this video. First off, we're going to talk about this new offering we have. The DEWALT miter saw stand can be bought off our website with the pre-drilled holes. We've taken the time to precision drill these, so any accessories that you would want that we offer, this stand will be drilled in both ends, precision drilled, so it's just plug and play for us. Right here on this little piece of paper here, we have all the models that we cover and our spacer kits we're going to talk about and what this stand can offer you. On a DEWALT saw, most of the models on the DEWALT brand, they have this boss that comes all the way down. So mounting this to your bench or mounting it to a stand, there's not going to be any issues with the casting being compromised over time and clamping or bowing this. It's properly designed to be anchored the right way. If you look at the Makita has a rubber foot, which in some cases, if you're not going to mount it, that is an advantage over this one because it's going to not slide around as much. But if you want to mount it, you're going to need to remove this foot to make a good bearing surface, but you have this open air here, and that over time could bow the base or crack the casting. So with our kits that we offer, they will come with spacers, and some of them will come with the hardware. This one for this DEWALT stand comes with like this. And the spacer then creates that closed clamping area, so you're not going to crack your base. So if you're mounting it to a bench or mounting it to the stand, or maybe another stand you have that would have the same problem, this kit would work for you. That's going to be solved now with us. And if you need this solution, we have it at our website, Custom Fabricating Solutions. All the product in this video will be linked in the description below. If you want the best, choose CFS. See you next time.